Welcome to WS Network, your ultimate destination for breaking down complex topics into bite-sized, actionable insights. In today's video, we're diving deep into a question that's on every crypto enthusiast's mind. When will Bitcoin hit $500,000? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just exploring the crypto space, understanding Bitcoin's potential is essential. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's explore the data, expert opinions, and future trends to answer this intriguing question. To predict Bitcoin's journey to $500,000, we need to first understand where it stands today. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, has established itself as the leader of the cryptocurrency market. With over a decade of history, its growth has been fueled by decentralization. Bitcoin operates without a central authority, making it resistant to inflation and government interference. Adoption. More institutional investors, including companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and Square, are integrating Bitcoin into their balance sheets. Scarcity. With a cap of 21 million coins, Bitcoin's supply is limited, driving demand as adoption increases. However, it hasn't been smooth sailing. The market is volatile, influenced by macroeconomic trends, regulatory changes, and global events. Let's break down what industry experts are saying about Bitcoin's journey to the $500,000 milestone. 1. Chamath Palihapitiya. Chamath, a billionaire investor, has long been a vocal supporter of Bitcoin. In a 2024 interview, he suggested Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by October 2025. His reasoning? Bitcoin is increasingly being viewed as a global reserve asset, especially during times of economic uncertainty. With central banks printing money at unprecedented rates, Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against inflation continues to grow. 2. Bernstein analysts Gautam Chugani and Mahika Sapra from Research predict Bitcoin will reach $500,000 by 2029. Their projection considers the growing influence of Bitcoin ETFs, which could bring billions of dollars in institutional investments into the crypto space. 3. PlanB and the stock-to-flow model. PlanB, a renowned cryptocurrency analyst, uses the stock-to-flow (S2F) model to forecast Bitcoin's price. This model links Bitcoin's value to its scarcity, particularly in the context of halving events. According to PlanB, Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by 2025, given its deflationary nature and increasing adoption. Several factors contribute to Bitcoin's long-term growth potential, making the $500K target achievable. Let's explore them in detail. 1. Bitcoin halving events. Every 4 years, Bitcoin undergoes a halving event, reducing the number of new coins created. This creates a supply shock, often leading to price surges. Historical data shows that Bitcoin's price tends to skyrocket within 12 to 18 months after a halving. The next halving, scheduled for 2024, is expected to catalyze significant price growth. Number 2. Institutional adoption. Institutional adoption of Bitcoin is accelerating. From Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to the launch of Bitcoin ETFs, the involvement of big players like BlackRock and Fidelity is legitimizing Bitcoin as an asset class. As more institutions enter the market, Bitcoin's price could rise exponentially. Number 3. Global economic uncertainty. Bitcoin thrives during economic crises. With inflation rates climbing and geopolitical tensions rising, many investors are turning to Bitcoin as a store of value. This flight to safety could drive demand higher, pushing Bitcoin toward the $500,000 mark. 4. Technological advancements. The development of the Bitcoin Lightning Network and other scaling solutions is making Bitcoin more accessible and practical for everyday transactions. As Bitcoin becomes easier to use, its adoption is likely to increase, further boosting its value. While the future of Bitcoin looks promising, it's not without risks. Here are some challenges that could delay its journey to $500,000. 1. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments worldwide are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Stricter regulations or outright bans in major economies could hinder Bitcoin's growth. 2. Market volatility. Bitcoin's price is notoriously volatile, making it a risky investment. Sudden market crashes can shake investor confidence and slow down adoption. 3. Competition from altcoins. While Bitcoin is the market leader, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano are gaining traction. Increased competition could divert investment away from Bitcoin. Now, let's answer the big question. How long will it take for Bitcoin to reach $500,000? Based on expert predictions and historical trends, here's a potential timeline. 2024. Bitcoin's next halving event could trigger a price surge, setting the stage for new all-time highs. 2025. If PlanB's stock-to-flow model holds true, Bitcoin could reach $500,000 by the end of 2025. 2029. According to Bernstein analysts, Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by the end of the decade, driven by institutional adoption and ETF growth. If you're considering investing in Bitcoin, here are some tips. 1. Do your research. Understand the fundamentals of Bitcoin and the factors driving its price. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Never invest all your money in a single asset, especially one as volatile as Bitcoin. 3. Stay updated. Keep an eye on market trends, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. Bitcoin's journey to $500,000 is not just a question of if, but when. While the timeline may vary depending on market conditions, the underlying fundamentals suggest that Bitcoin has the potential to reach this milestone. As always, investing in Bitcoin carries risks, so make sure to approach it with caution and strategy. Thank you for watching WS Network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin will hit $500,000? And if so, when? Want more insights into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? Check out our other videos on WS Network, where we simplify complex topics and help you make informed decisions. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. The content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice and should not be treated as such. Predictions and analyses discussed are speculative and based on publicly available data, expert opinions, and historical trends. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and involve significant risk. Before making any financial decisions, you should conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor. WS Network and its creators are not responsible for any financial losses or decisions made based on the information provided in this video. Invest wisely and at your own risk.